Question number 7. Question number 7 says, Ritu ate 3 by 5th part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? So this is my first part of this question. We have to find out how much part of the apple did Somu eat. So we only have one apple, and out of this 3/5 part of this apple is eaten by Ritu. So we have one apple, and the part of apple which is eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. So how much did Somu eat? So you have to subtract 3 by 5 from 1. This is the whole part, and this is the part which is eaten by Ritu. So if you want to find out the part which is eaten by Somu, so you have to subtract this quantity from 1. So 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. We have to make this denominator equals to 5. So for making this denominator equal to 5, you have to multiply 1 by 5, and the numerator is also multiplied by 5. So 1 can also be written as 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2, and the denominator will remain same. So 1 minus 3 by 5 equals to 2 by 5. So this is the part of apple which is eaten by Somu. Now the next part of this question says, who had the larger share? Ritu ate 3/5 part of the apple. Somu ate 2/5 part of the apple. Which one is bigger? Obviously the part which is eaten by Ritu. So 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Therefore, the share of Ritu was larger. Now, the third part of this question is by how much. So previously you find out who ate the larger part. Now you have to find out the difference between the share of Somu and Ritu. So the difference between the two parts is, the part which is eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5th. The part which is eaten by Somu is 2 by 5. So the difference is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, which is equals to 1 by 5. Number 8 says, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. So Michael and Weber, they are coloring a picture, and Michael is taking 7 by 12 hour, whereas Weber is taking 3 by 4 hour. So the first part of this question is, who worked longer? Michael worked longer or Weber worked longer? So we have to compare these two fractions. So for comparison, we have to first make their denominators equal. So for this we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 12. So the LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. So obviously the denominator of this fraction is already 12. So we are not going to do anything with this fraction. We are just multiplying the denominator and numerator of this fraction in such a way so that the denominator will become equal to 12. So we are multiplying 4 by 3. After multiplying we get 4 3 ja 12. So if the denominator is multiplied by 3, so you have to multiply the numerator also by 3. So after multiplication you get 9 by 12. So the Michael is taking 7 by 12 hour. Weber is taking 9 by 12 hour. So who is working longer? Obviously Weber. Weber is working longer because 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. Now the second part of this question says, by what fraction was it longer? So Weber is taking more time. So you have to find out how much more time he is taking in comparison with Michael. For this you have to subtract 7 by 12 from 3 by 4. So 7 by 12 is subtracted from 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is equals to 9 by 12. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12 equals to 2 by 12, which is equals to 1 by 6. So Weber is taking 1 by 6 hours more than Michael.